Hello everyone, hope everyone's having a good day. It is currently 60 degrees in Chicago, very beautiful, or 62, it's been rising lately. So here's another unboxing video. No music this time because this is a special series. I call it Diecast Investigations. So let's get to ripping up this package. Now this package came from Amazon, bought it yesterday. 35 bucks. Alright, here it is. It is the Fubarbar garbage truck. Now if you see on the box right here, it says KDW, which is Kaidiwei. I think that's what it's called. So yeah, this is a knockoff of a first gear garbage truck. It's listed as 1/43 scale, and let's see if they're right. Now there is another version of this which is made by Kaidiwei. I believe Diecast Media made a video of the 1/24 scale one, but it was actually in 1/48. I'll put a link to the video below. So yeah, let's open this up. Excuse my arm. Let's see if it's right. If it is 1/43 scale. Alright. Here's the dumpster box. Sorry for the blurriness. Film afar. Funny that it says Fubarbar. It's actually Kaidiwei. Alright. So let me fix this zoom right quick. Much better. So I got the red and gray version. This is a Mack MR. I believe a McNeilius. Front end loader garbage truck, and it says it's made in 1/43 scale, and it looks like it is. I believe the cab, yes it does. Engine detail in there. It's like a pretty solid model. Let's put it next to the Diecast Masters dump truck that I have right here. Here's the International HX 620 and Buffalo Road Imports Red. And here's the garbage truck. This is in 1/50 scale, and this one is in I believe 1/43. And looks like they're probably right. This is in 1/43 scale. Huh. That's pretty neat. Alright. I might gotta buy a couple more of these trucks just to have a fleet going on here. This is a pretty good truck. I like it. It's in 1/43, but hey, what can you say? Alright, thank you guys for watching. This truck model passed. So I got this from Amazon for $35. Can't beat the price. They have it in orange and white and all orange and a white cab, blue body. So I'm gonna get the white cab and blue body one for the recycling services, and this one's gonna be regular garbage. So alright. Thank you guys for watching a socially awkward video, and I'll see you guys next time.